Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Ticketmaster verification code not sending. If you're trying to sign into your Ticketmaster account but you're not receiving the verification code, do not worry. The issue is usually caused by incorrect phone number or email address, network problems or delayed messages. First, make sure you have entered the correct phone number or email address associated with your Ticketmaster account. Even a small typo can prevent the verification code from being delivered. And next, check your internet connection. In the top right corner, you need to simply swipe down and turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi, or you can switch between your cellular data as well. And the next is, and also check your messages. And don't forget to check spam, junk, or promotion folders, as verification emails can sometimes be filtered there. And if you're receiving the code by SMS, make sure your phone has a strong cellular signal. You can also toggle on your airplane mode and toggle off and refresh your network connection. And that is it. That's how you can fix the Ticketmaster verification code not sending. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.